Hey guys, Billy Ribeiro here, Revolution Trading. And this morning, guys, once again, the ticker we're gonna be talking about is AMD, right? And why AMD? Guys, the way you trade on every single ticker that's traded by the smart money institutions, right? It's the same, right? And then not only Amazon, but AMD was also like a ticker that, right? I posted on social media yesterday prior to the open, you know, before the open, right? I pop into this level here short and with all the targets and everything else. And the thing that I want to talk about today is just like letting the runners run, right? We had the entry. We had the first real target, okay? Of course, you always pay yourself along the way, right? If you have multiple contracts, which you should, right? And then this was the first target, right? 118.40. Second target, we almost got there the first time, right? 116.62. Third target, 115.67. Then I said 115. So just to, okay, like I'm not the type of person that, right? It's so easy to say like, oh, I said it and whatever. So let's just go over, okay, my socials here. Then go over, okay. So trade of the day, right? Yesterday at 9:12 a.m. Okay. For those of you crooks out there that likes to talk crap, 9:12 a.m. That was before the market opened. Trade of the day, AMD. Short on a pop towards 121.85, right? As it's popping towards 120, 121.85 and paying, it's misspelled. I didn't want to add it because people would have been like, oh, but you added a post, right? You know how people are. Losers are just losers. They always try to find an excuse to say you're crooked, like you're manipulating your tweets, your post, whatever. And then, okay, 116.62, all right, 118.40, 116.62, 115.67, one and 115, and then eventually, and then letting the runners run. And then, so where did we get here, guys? Just following the smart money, pretty close, almost to the penny. 112.73, we got to 112.87. 14 pennies away, right? 14 cents away, right? So, and this is just, guys, this is no hindsight. This is just pure, right? The more you guys, like, the more you haters just be like, oh, that's just hindsight. He was lucky. Hey, I do this every time. Then I've been lucky for years, right? So I just learned, like, if there's one important thing I learned in life when it comes to trading is remove every single indicator from my charts and learn how to read candles price action, right? And then, guys, just go on my YouTube channel, watch the first video, watch the second, and this is going to be the third, the continuation on the trade. And this is what I talk about, like just letting the runners run, even if you held just one contract, guys. So we got this week's expiration, right? Just let the runners run. It was 115 puts, and then, right, pretty much 122, right, to 112, almost like 10 points. Do you know the percentage of this? Like just trading like long calls and puts? It's crazy, right? And there's some people, right, that call themselves traders that they're looking for, which they call a squeeze to go long on this. Like why they're looking to go long. I went short. I call the shots like I always do, and I always will call the shots. And not only on Facebook, let's go to Instagram. And then also on this thing, on this new app called Thread, right? Let's see if this shows the time here. This was added just because I added it. It was short on a, it was on a tap instead of on a pop, but it should show the day. You guys can see the day. I mean the time, exactly the time. Then also on my Twitter account, um, I'm not computer savvy, guys, so traded today, July 19th. Let's see if it says what time. It's not saying the time here, but anyway, at least like on Facebook here, it's clear. Yesterday at 9:12 a.m. and that's Eastern Standard Time. Right? And like I said, let the runners run. How do you guys hit home runs? Not by chasing, not by being stupid, not by buying cheap options and praying for a miracle. It's just letting the trade take you out. How do you do that? If you want to learn, go to revolutionize.com, sign up to our day trading room, and I'll be more than happy to teach you guys, a thing or two that I know, right? But anyway, this is it, guys. This is it. This is just like what I wanted to go over for today. And here we go here. This is the daily chart on AMD. This is what I call the move prior to the move. And that level there that right? Ultimate level, it's this level right here that we have to get to. It's pretty much we got to this level since just like 14 cents away, guys. Come on, just give it a break, right? So, and that's that. All right, have a great day, you guys. Yeah, it's still early. Market barely opened. It's 9:54 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You guys enjoy your day, your morning. Happy trading, and please, guys, make lots of money. And for those of you guys that took this free trade, congrats. For those of you guys that listened to me and took the Amazon trade, congratulations. And hey, if you guys want to send, like a tip, feel free. All right, take care, guys. Be safe. Revolution, baby. Revolution.